The Buick is dead. Well, it won't start. We're not sure why right now, but I have a feeling we have an unpleasant mechanic bill coming up. I was going to post my buttercream recipe tonight, but that will have to wait till tomorrow. For now, I really need your guys' help to get to 10,000 followers so I can start to get paid for my videos. For now, my fiance is still working full-time. I have a few customer cookie cake orders coming up, and we're saving money everywhere we can. As for the Buick, we've already replaced almost $500 worth of parts in the last few weeks, so we're out of ideas on what we can fix ourselves. The next step is taking it to the mechanic. Hopefully, they'll be able to fix it. So, if you would, please interact with my videos, tag your favorite vehicle brands, and give our crazy story a follow to help me reach more people so I can hopefully keep selling my cookie cakes and saving up money to help my fiance get a reliable car.